morning, kids. How are you all? I'm back with another interesting chapter of your maths. And guess what I'm going to teach you? Yes, to guess, today I'm going to show you something and you will guess what is today's chapter. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you what? So as you can see, I have something in my hand, and can you guess what I am having in my hand? Yes, you guessed it right. Our chapter is on money, and you can see this money, right? So kids, can you tell me why we use this money? Guess. Yes, we use this money to buy our day-to-day life things. Okay, from the market. If you will go to the market without money and you want something to buy, you will not get it. Why? Because to buy something, we always need our money. Right? So today's our chapter is on money. Money plays a very important role in our life. Right? So you are studying, I am teaching in the school, your father is going to the office, some of your mother is also going to the office. Why? To earn money. If we will earn money, we can lead our life very easily. We can buy our necessary things from the market. We can buy luxurious things from the market. Okay? You have seen your parents, they go to the market to buy things, and for that we need money. Okay? So before I show you the notes and the coin, first let's see our Indian currency. Okay, as you can see, we have in India, we have the Indian currency in the form of rupees and paise. In the form of rupee and paise. Every country has different currencies. In India, we have rupee and paise. Okay, your coins, we have coins and note, right? So coins like 1 rupee coin, we have 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, and I have also some coins to show you. So here I have a 1 rupee coin. You can see this one is the 1 rupee coin. Then here is a 2 rupee coin. See, this one is the 2 rupee coin. And here is your 5 rupee coin. See, this one is your 5 rupee coin. And this one is your 10 rupee coin. Right? Similarly, we have notes in the form of, we have some notes also. Okay? Like 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 1000 rupee note. So I have some notes with me. You can recognize it. Yes, this one is your, yes, 20 rupee note. Then is your 50 rupee note. Your 50 rupee note looks like this. And your 100 rupee note looks like this. This one is your 100 rupee note, new 100 rupee note, and this one is your 200 rupee note. You can see this one is your 200 rupee note and this one is your 500 rupee note. Okay, so these notes have a value, very important value in the market. I don't have 1000 rupee note, so these are the note. Okay, with this note we can go to the market and we can buy different things. Right? So in my next video, I'll tell you how to buy things with these notes. Suppose I want to buy a doll. Okay, I want to buy a doll and the cost of the doll is 50 rupees. Okay, so the cost of the doll is 50 rupees. So see kids, which currency I'll use, which note I will use to buy that doll. Yes, this 500, 200, because I have this 50 rupee note. So I'll use this note to buy that doll. Okay, suppose this chalk cost 5 rupee. So what I will use? So I have this coins with me. 10 rupee coin, I have 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. So which coin I will use to buy this chalk? I will use this 5 rupee coin to buy that chalk. Okay. So in my next video I will tell you something on money. So till then please keep recognizing the money, and for that you have to know the addition and subtraction, because when you go to the market this is very important. How much money you have, how much money you gave to the shopkeeper and how much money remains with you. Okay, so this one I will tell you in my next class. So till then, bye bye and take care.